Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. Are you tired of watching potential customers run screaming from your checkout page when they see those pesky sales taxes? Or maybe you're drowning in exemption certificates trying to manually manage who gets what? Well, fear no more. We're here to introduce you to the Tax Exempt for WooCommerce plugin. Think of it as your personal tax ninja, silently slashing through the red tape and making everyone's life easier. Hey, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This isn't just some basic turn tax off switch. We're talking powerful features. We're talking automatic tax removal for approved customers. We're talking easy to manage user roles and exemption certificates. We're talking about finally feeling organized instead of feeling like you're wrestling a taxidermied badger. This plugin lets your eligible customers prove their tax exempt status quickly and easily. No more chasing down paperwork, no more manual adjustments, just happy customers who can finally buy what they need without the tax man breathing down their necks. In this course, we'll break down everything you need to know to master the Tax Exempt plugin. We'll go from setup to customizing email notifications so that you will know exactly who is approved and who is waiting for approval. We'll cover setting up the general settings, managing exempted customers, configuring exemption requests, making sure your emails are on point, and even how to handle tax exemptions for guest users. By the end of this course, you'll be a tax-exempt wizard, saving time, improving customer satisfaction, and maybe even finding a little joy in, well, managing taxes. Okay, maybe that's pushing it, but it'll definitely be less painful. So, are you ready to take control of your WooCommerce taxes? Let's get started.